Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we will set up the project. So in your Android Studio, here go to this file and create a new project and select this empty activity and next. And here you can name your application. I have named it Android Blocks. And this will be the package name and this will be the location and minimum SDK we are going to use 21 and build configuration this Kotlin DSL and press this finish button and a new project will be created and it will be look like this. So here on your Android tab you will see these files. So first thing what we need to do, we need to add all those dependencies of different libraries which we are going to use in our project. For that you have this Gradle script and here you will find these many files. And first file we have this build.gradle project level and next one is this for module level. First let's open this project level. So what happens when our app grows? We need to divide our whole code base into different modules based on features or something else. So this project level build.gradle file will be applied to the whole project. And next we have this build.gradle module level file. And since we will be having a single module for our whole application, so we will be having this single module level build.gradle file. So in our project level file, we have this plugin block and we are using these different plugins for different things. And by default, we have used this apply it false. Means on project level, these plugins will not be applied by default. But when we go to this module level file, and here you can see we don't have any apply false value. It means these plugins will be applied only to those modules where we need the functionality of particular plugin. And here we are referring these plugin IDs from somewhere else by specifying this libs.plugins. So here we have one more file with the name libs.version.toml file. So this is a version catalog file. Here we specify the versions and their IDs. So we have a plugin section and here we have the actual IDs and their version numbers. And we are referring all these plugins IDs here in our build.gradle file. So here I already have added all these plugins and the dependencies of the libraries which we are going to use in our project. What you can do, you can copy from the GitHub repository or you can just clone the project setup branch. You will get this initial code. So here when we scroll down, I have added all these IDs like this. And next we have this module level file. First thing we are applying all those plugins which we have specified on our project level file. Next we have this Android section and here we are going to use 35 API level for this target SDK and this compile SDK and minimum SDK we are using 21. Next scroll down, here we are using this 11 Java version and next I have added this room block for this schema directory path. And after this, these are all the dependencies of different libraries. And here, instead of specifying individual IDs, I have just created a bundle. So when we go to this version file, for all these coil dependencies, I have created a bundle like this and I have given the reference of this bundle here. And one more thing I have did for this Markdown library, go to this settings.gradle file and here in this file we specified all the locations of the website from where these libraries are coming. So when you create the new project you will get only these two repositories, but I have also added this maven jetpack.io for that markdown library. And this is all I have added. So let's close all these files And if you are wondering what this Gradle is, so Gradle is a build system used in Android development. It helps automate the process of building Android apps. So here it handles mainly these tasks like downloading dependencies. So instead of manually downloading libraries, you just specify what you need and Gradle will download and include them like we are doing here. We are just specifying all these dependencies and Gradle will download all these codes and we can use in our project. And next main thing Gradle do is compiling our source code into executable files. And these libraries are just some code which someone has written and they have hosted those code at some website and this Gradle will download that code so we can use that code in our project. Now close this file and when you go to this app section and this Kotlin plus Java and in your package file you will get this main activity and here we have some code which comes with the new project. So let's just delete this code for now. For now let's just comment out this scaffold also. Hey everyone, if you are finding this tutorial helpful, you will love my premium Udemy course where we will build 𝒉𝒆𝒄𝒌𝒐𝒂𝒿, a fitness app using Jetpack Compose. We go in depth on the Firebase authentication, Firestore and more. Check out the course in the description and take your skills to the next level. See you there. And next thing we are going to add the theme to our project. So by default we have this Android blocks theme. Go to this UI package and you will get this theme package. And we have this colors file, theme file and this type file. So here this is the default theme which comes with the new project. If you want to use your custom themes by specifying your favorite colors, there is a particular website where we can build this theme. Here on the Google, when you type this material theme builder, you will get this first link of this GitHub pages. So let's click this and here is the website. And on the left side, we have this section where we can specify these primary secondary colors. So let's just use this blue color. If you want to use some other color, you can click this primary button and here you can specify your favorite color. But for me, this blue color is looking fine. And you can also specify these different colors. And here we can see how this color will look in our app. This is how our different components will look. So go to this pick your font button and we are not going to use any other font but the system default. So let's export this theme and here we have this export button and export it to Jetpack Compose theme.kt file and you will have this zip file. So let me open it and here you will get this theme folder. First what we need is let's delete this folder, copy this, paste it here. And first we have this typography file and you need to change your package name and optimize these imports. Close this file and next go to this theme file. First thing let's change the package name and first we have this light color scheme and scroll down and next we have this dark scheme and we also have this medium contrast but we are not going to use this. So what we should do, let's delete these four values and also these two. So now we only have this dark scheme and this light scheme. And after this we have a composable function with the name app theme and let's rename it to Android blocks theme. And this composable function we are using in our main activity. So whatever will be the content of our app we are going to wrap inside our theme. and this composable function have these three parameters. First one, we have this dark theme. So here we have this function is system in dark theme. So this function will automatically detect whether the phone is in the light mode or in the dark mode. If the phone is in the dark mode, we will get this dark theme value as the true. And in that case, we are going to use our dark scheme colors, which we have specified these colors. And next we have this dynamic colors parameter, and by default we are applying this dynamic colors. So here we are using this when block and checking the Android version of the phone where our app is running, whether the Android version is greater than S or not. S is, I think, Android 12. So if the version is Android 12 or greater, so here the color scheme will be applied dynamically. These dynamic colors means Android system will detect the current wallpaper of the user's device. Based on that primary color of that wallpaper, it will generate automatically all the colors. And if the device is not Android 12 or greater, then we are going to use our own dark scheme and this light scheme color theme. And we are using this color scheme to our material theme composable function and optimize our imports. Next, in our color scheme, we are using these primary light color on primary light color. These colors comes from this color file we have on the right side, this one. So here you will get these all these colors defined. Change the package name first and let's delete all those unused colors. Now we only have colors for light theme and the dark theme. Now let's close this file and this file also. And to make sure everything is working fine, you need to rebuild your project. Go to this build section and rebuild the project. And our project has been successfully built. And this is all for this video. We have successfully set up the project, and in the next video we are going to design our first screen, blog list screen. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop down in the comment section. If you are finding the content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.